Hi everybody, today I have the HP BD speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair this speaker with your Android device. So, at first we have to enter settings, and now, wait a moment, I need to lower the brightness. Now we have to enter the connected devices. Here, now we have a top pair device. Now we have to turn on our speaker and make sure that it's not connected to any other device, such like phone or PC. Now, as you can see here, we have our speaker. We don't have to enter pairing mode. Everything goes automatically. And now we have to enter pair.
Device connected.
Now we are connected and paired. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.